Latin America. We are the largest food reserve in the world. We have the environment, the soil, the water. We have the tradition. We have the people, the effort, the will. We have the world's largest beef and dairy cattle stock. To feed our people and for exports. And we are proud of being a part of all this. We have the technology. We have a trajectory in innovation. We have the capability to supply markets with the highest quality standards. We have the service. Together we can guarantee the sanitary condition of our livestock, increase quantity and quality of our production, ensuring the region and the world's food security. Thinking of efficiency, environment, and future. It is our mission. It is our destiny. BIOGENESIS BAGO, the evolution of animal health.